Okay, hey guys, today we are going to be talking about domain and range, specifically using the square root method. This is the equation that we're going to be using today, fairly simple. Start off by writing the equation out like this. X plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, and this is why. If the x-intercept was less than 0, it will leave you with an error on your calculator or an imaginary number. If it's equal to 0, then you would just get 0, and then if it is greater than 0, then you would get a real number, obviously. Obviously, you don't want an error, which is why it has to be greater than or equal to 0. Next, set x as greater than or equal to 4, and then we're going to plot it just so that we can find the domain a lot easier. X is greater than or equal to 4. That's why the circle is closed. We'll go from -4 all the way to infinity, just like that. And this is how you would write it in interval notation. Range, the easiest thing would be to put it on a graph and set it up just like this. Plot the points how you would normally, so from -4 all the way to infinity. Then you would interpret the graph based off of the y-axis, and you would get 0 to positive infinity. Okay, so before we go, I have a few last-minute tips that I think you should know. The first tip is to remember that in any situation, you should not ever divide by 0. The second tip is that you cannot have a negative number. If you have a negative number, the problem is most likely no solution or undefined. And then the last one is have a reasonable domain. You should be able to relate it to something in real life. Thank you for watching. Bye.